The subject of this video is troubleshooting and auditing suspicious permission changes. People may have lost access to a site. The owners may not know what happened. So this way you can go in and you can run a report or an audit of exactly what has transpired from a permission perspective with the site. So enter the URL, select the SharePoint workload, go back a few weeks. You may have limits depending on your license from a retention perspective. Now we're going to go to friendly names. We're going to scroll down until we get to permissions. And there might be a bit of scrolling. If you know exactly what you're looking for, you can type it in. But I'm going to assume that you're new to this and that you will need to scroll through and then begin selecting the areas. So there we go. So I sometimes take multiple passes at this depending on the scenario. What I mean by that is that I will try different selections to find out exactly what the changes were. So maybe the first pass is do everything, but you may end up with a huge report, thousands of lines. You may find that you see a certain activity reoccurring consistently, so you may want to just search on that or audit on that particular activity. And then refine it so that the report is consumable by a general person that doesn't have to go through thousands of lines. But they may want that, so you'll have to work with them to figure that out. So give the search a name, double check everything, and when you're ready, click search. And if you have specific users in mind, you can add a user email. And I usually do multiple passes, so I'm going to put pass 1 there. Now, once you click search, depending on the size of the data set of your tenant, it will take a few minutes or a few hours. So be patient, and when the report's done, you'll have a very detailed list of exactly who did what within that site that you can hand off to the site owners, management, or an auditor. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.